So you're sitting there thinking, why do you have to sit and listen to me if you can watch the tape? You're helping me get ready for some future thing. Okay, and this can go on. Okay, I'm thinking of something now, and I want you all to kind of participate this time. I didn't hear that. What's going on here? It's so if we know our square numbers, then we can figure out the multiplication of the two numbers that are on either side of the square number. Does this make sense? I wonder why that works. Somebody's going, oh my goodness. Okay, so what if I kept going and I got to this question? How much? 399? How did you get that so quickly? So you're thinking about 20 squared is 400, and now you've learned something. This has to be 399. I wonder what is going on here. I wonder what is going on here. Let's look at how this number trick works. I'm going to include a few screenshots of base 10 blocks and help you make sense of this. Okay, so what I have in front of you now is a 20 by 20 array. So it's 10 here and 10 here, making a total of 20. And same on the side, 10 here and 10 here, making a total of 20. So 20 squared is equal to 400. I'm going to now overlay in red 200s. So what I've actually done is taken 10 10s and clipped them together and laid them on their sides on top of two of the blue 100s. Now look what happens when I remove one of the reds from each of those two red hundreds. So what was 20 by 20 in blue is now 19 by 21 in red. So 19 by 21 is exactly the same as 20 squared, but we have to subtract 1 for this little square in the corner over here that is now hanging out of the 19 by 21 array. And that's where that problem now makes sense.
So we know that one number less than a square of a number is a multiple of something. It's not a prime number.
Say that again?
So we know that one less than a square of a number will not be a prime number.
Well, I'm not sure about that. Oh, if you multiply two odd numbers in sequence that are outside of a square number, yeah, that's a pretty advanced idea. Okay. What's going on here? So this is my middle number. This is my middle number. So would that help me get 22 times 18? So what is the difference now? So before, when we were 1 unit, one number less multiplied by one number more, the answer was the square of the middle number minus 1. Now what's happening? Now we've jumped 2 units this way and 2 units that way, so the numbers are 4 apart. What's going on here? Any thoughts about this? So where we're 2 away from the middle number, we end up 4 away from its square. I wonder if this would be helpful to some kids. So one of the things that Irma does a lot is we are hardwired to deal with patterns really well. So she likes to show them, I don't want to call it a trick, it's really good math. She likes to show them stuff like this and have them try to figure out what's going on. And they do, and it helps them. Okay, so I hope these strategies are things that you will keep because they're not to be found in the book, but they're very useful strategies for kids to develop good thinking. Okay, so